When I change style of selected text in MS Word, why does the text above and below change as well? It depends on whether you apply a character style, a paragraph style, or a linked style. In the styles list, each is denoted with a different symbol. If you select a piece of text and apply a character style, then only the selected text will change. If you apply a paragraph style, the whole paragraph will change. If you select a linked style, well, it depends on whether you select the Disable Linked Styles checkbox or not. If it's not selected, the linked style will be applied only to the selected text, just like a character style. But if the checkbox is selected, then the linked style will be applied to the whole paragraph, even though the whole paragraph is not selected. So you need to be careful about that. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a billion.